So now they've started playing something in Italian behind us at the cafe. And they're behind glass because it's kind of chilly out here. But we don't care because we love it. Oh, and the clock's starting to ring because it's 11 o'clock. Little boys on the top are binging the bell. They're moving. I don't know if you can see that on the video. I love Venice. I think Nelson does too. So that Cheshire cat look. Cue the bird. Okay, cue the bird. There goes the bird. Beautiful. There we go.